What's going on, guys? Let's go over perhaps one of the best trading strategies that you can use for trading futures that can minimize your risk as best as possible and help you pass more valuations and get more payouts. That strategy is the 5-minute 20 SMA play. That's what I call it. That's what we call it in the Evolution Traders Room. All we're simply looking for is short-term change in trends. Now, today was a perfect example because we did have a little bit of a trend off the open. This video is going to be very short and very direct to the point. It's going to work as follows. What we're looking at is price to cross and close over the 20 SMA. Once that is done, we are waiting for a following candle to confirm that high. Okay, once that gets confirmed, when that candle is active, you're going to enter into that trade and you're going to play that for, depending on what you're looking for. If you're a scalper, anywhere between 5 and 10 points. If you're a micro trader where you're going to trade a little bit smaller size but want a bigger move, then we're going to look for either half of the range of that reason why candle, or we're going to take the ATR or half the ATR. First play of the day sets up at 5:30. We got those news numbers in the morning. We pop right into the linear regression supply and then kind of chop around. Then we lose the 20 SMA, and yes, it confirms, but this is a failed move. There's a reason why we're not going to take this short position. And if you look at the moving averages, all of the short-term moving averages are going higher, higher, higher. They're all flat down here at the bottom. So we got a lot of support. So what we want to do is, until we lose the lower support system here, we want to make sure we stay to the long side. It's very hard to do in real time once you don't know that this data is coming out. But again, it's the best thing that you need to do. So for me, I would definitely keep the 20, the 50, and the 200 SMA on your charts. If we're above the 200 and the 50 and we're just pulling back, you need to make sure that you stay with the side of where we're trading at. The next setup happens here at 6:50 in the morning. Okay, it's a 100-point range candle. So definitely want to be on the micro side of things, 1-2 micros, especially if you're looking for those longer continuation moves. We confirm at 6:55. That would have given you an easy 5 to 10, 15 points on a scalp, and it would have also given you a nice 1-to-1 on 100 points, or even half an ATR at 50 points. Okay, that next setup happens here. Short never confirms, and then we get a little bit of a short pattern here. But again, remember, we want to stay with the trend. We don't want to be taking the short positions going against the day's trend. You can clearly see the chart is moving higher. So when the chart's moving higher, stay with the trend. Here's another one here at 8:50 in the morning. And again, here's a full disclaimer. I only like to take these trades between market open and lunchtime. Okay, I don't like to take them any other time. Not because they don't work, but because I don't want to press my luck anymore, because typically speaking, at least 1, 2, maybe even sometimes 3 of those trades have managed to work out. And I would rather protect those gains. Okay, so it's not me losing money, losing out on money, it's me protecting my money. So again, 8:50 in the morning here, we get that confirmation, and then it pops up at 8:55, and you would have got that easy 5 to 10 points, or the ATR was 41 points, you would have easily got that, or even 20 points of half that ATR. I hope this video helps you guys. Again, if you want to trade with me, that link is down in the description box below. Also, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys would like to sign up with Apex, because you guys can have up to 20 funded accounts, 20 evaluations running, that link is down in the description box below. I would definitely recommend to load up. I'll see all of you guys on the next video.